Come back to my channel, the Coin Spotted A's best coins one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United State coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. The 1916 Georgivs One Penny Coin, presented in long, well-organized paragraphs. This will cover the coin's history, design, specifications, varieties, collector interest, and stores where it's commonly found. If you're seeking this information for collecting, academic interest, or resale, this write-up will give you the full picture historical significance of the 1916 Georgivs Penny. The 1916 George V One Penny is a significant coin from the United Kingdom, minted in a year deeply overshadowed by the events of World War. It was during the height of global conflict that this penny circulated widely throughout the British Empire. King George V, the reigning monarch at the time, descended the throne in 1910 following the death of his father, Edward VII. His reign is remembered as a period of transition, where traditional imperial grandeur intersected with the social, economic, and political changes brought about by modern warfare and a shifting global order. The 1916 penny reflects this era in tangible form. It's a coin of the people, circulated in the millions, handled by soldiers, workers, and citizens alike during one of the most tumultuous periods in British history, produced in large numbers. This coin was part of everyday life, used for everything from buying a loaf of bread to paying tram fare. It belongs to a long lineage of British bronze pennies. A denomination introduced in 1862 replaced the larger copper pennies of Queen Victoria's reign. By 1916, the bronze penny had become a mainstay of British coinage, and the design remained largely consistent throughout George V's reign. Even today, this coin offers collectors a direct connection to the everyday world of early 20th century Britain. With its wartime economy, imperial identity, and working-class realism, while not a rare or especially valuable coin in general circulation, the 1916 penny is a beloved piece for collectors due to its historical resonance and sturdy design. Detailed design, features, and specifications. The design of the 1916 One Penny coin is both artistic and symbolic. The obverse features the left-facing effigy of King George V, designed by the esteemed Australian sculptor Sir Bertram McKennell. His depiction of the king is serious and realistic, without a crown, marking a stylistic shift from earlier, more idealized royal portraits. The surrounding Latin reads Georges V de Gras, which translates to George V, by the grace of God, King of all the Britons, Defender of the Faith, Emperor of India. This text not only reflects the king's status, but also underscores the global reach of the British Empire at the time. Reverse of the coin continues a design tradition dating back to 1860. It features Britannia, the personification of Britain, seated and facing right. She holds a trident in one hand, representing naval power, and a shield with the Union Jack in the other, symbolizing defense and unity. The sea at her feet, along with the stylized waves and lighthouse details, reinforces Britain's maritime identity. The word one penny is inscribed around the figure, with the date 1916 below. The reverse design was created by Leonard Charles Wyon, son of the celebrated royal mint engraver William Wyon, and it endured through multiple monarchs for its elegance and familiarity in terms of physical specification. The coin was made from a bronze alloy consisting primarily of copper, around 95%, with tin and zinc. It measures 30.8 millimeters in diameter, weighs about 9.45 grams, and has a smooth, rounded edge. These dimensions were consistent with previous years, making it easy to integrate into commerce. The coin's construction was robust, enabling it to survive in circulation for decades. In fact, many 1916 pennies remained in use until Britain decimalized its currency. In 1971, the coin has no edge lettering, and its rim is plain, as was typical for most pennies of the period. Variants, mint marks, and errors. The standard 1916 penny was struck at the Royal Mint in London, and it does not bear any mint marks. However, it is important to mention that in other years, pennies were produced at auxiliary mints due to wartime pressures on metal supply and production facilities. For instance, the Heaton Mint in Birmingham and the King's Norton Metal Company in Birmingham produced coins with small mint marks, H for Heaton and KN for King's Norton, appearing near the date. No widely accepted or verified examples of a 1916 H-mint mark penny have been confirmed. Any claims of such a variant should be approached cautiously and with professional authentication, as no official records confirm such production for that. A few subtle varieties or dye differences have been noted by advanced collectors. These may include recessed ear varieties, where the king's ear appears slightly recessed due to a worn or altered dye. These are usually considered minor dye variations rather than true errors, but in excellent condition. Such coins can command a modest premium. Dye cracks, doubling on the lettering, and rim flaws may also occur, but they are typically valued more for their novelty than for rarity, unless extremely pronounced or unique. Current value, grading, and collector demand, despite its high mintage. Of over 86 million coins, the 1916 penny continues to attract interest from coin collectors, history enthusiasts, and even casual hobbyists. Its value, however, depends almost entirely on condition. Common circulated examples in good defined condition may be worth 50 pence to £2. In very fine or extremely fine condition, (VLUS), can range from £3 to £15 GBP. Near uncirculated and mint-state examples especially, those certified by grading agencies like NGC or PCGS, can fetch between £30 and £60, especially if luster is intact and like coins with small mintage figures or major mint errors. The 1916 penny is not rare in absolute terms. However, finding Hagrat, well-preserved examples is increasingly difficult due to the coin's age and the extent of wartime circulation. For this reason, collectors aiming to build a complete George V penny set will often pay a premium for examples with sharp detail and minimal wear. The coin's historical connection to World War I also adds intangible value, especially for thematic collections related to wartime numismatics or early and next century British currency. Where to buy, sell, or browse if you're interested in buying, selling, or simply browsing 1916 George V pennies. There are several well-known online and physical sources to consider. Online stores and marketplace bay the most accessible platform with hundreds of listings in various conditions. Check seller feedback and ask for close-up images to ensure quality. Popular for vintage and antique coins. Although typically less focused on coin grading accuracy, all coin values offers condition-based pricing and historical context for UK coins. Numismatist, a great resource for browsing coins, but also connects to marketplaces via user collections and swaps professional coin dealer shards, coin and bullion. Dealer's a well-established British dealer with a good reputation. London Coins Limited specializes in British coins, often with detailed descriptions and auction options. Baldwin's of St. Jamesa, premium-level dealer known for quality inventory and professional service. Local coin shops and fairs if you're based in the UK or visit areas with active collector communities. Check out coin fairs, antique markets, and coin dealers in your area. Many offer unlisted inventory and opportunities to examine coins in person. An advantage when looking for specific grades or varieties. Final thoughts. The 1916 Georgivs One Penny Coin is much more than a relic of small change. It's a snapshot of an empire at war, a symbol of national identity, and a practical link to millions of lives lived over a century ago. While it may not be the rarest or most valuable coin in the numismatic world, it offers rich rewards in terms of historical depth, collecting value, and personal curiosity. Whether you're new to coin collecting or a seasoned numismatist, 1916 penny is an accessible and meaningful addition to any collection. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.